What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video. There's a bloody RS3 going up the mountain today. Oh, excuse that. I'm with my dad once again.
Hey guys.
And yeah, we're just going to be going over the Clio again because we've done a few things, haven't we? Since. And yeah, quite a few significant bits really when you look at it.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you're new around here, please smash the subscribe button. And yeah, I think I'll flip the camera around and you can take us through what you've done, Dad.
I changed the original splitter. Well, it wasn't the original one, it was one of the Skoda ones.
Yeah.
So we've gone for the K-Tech, it's a fiberglass splitter. I didn't want the carbon one.
No.
I just wanted that sort of gloss black sort of look to it.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
It looks more like the original cup splitter that they would have come with.
Yeah.
Originally.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
I've gone for the intake. I think we said about doing that in the last video. So
Yeah.
that's going straight up to the A filter. It's just a direct intake to the carbon box, to the oxygen.
The one you stole off me.
The one I stole, yeah.
The magpie stealing the bits of my Clio.
Yes. Right, so that's that.
Yeah.
Also gone for, I've remapped it myself as well with the RS tuner.
Oh yeah.
So that's the same as on the blue car. So
yeah.
That's, give it a bit more drivability, I suppose.
Yeah, it's like lower down in it. It gives it more.
The mid-range is better.
Yeah.
Well, so much of that kick at 5,000, but it's all good. Like it drives nice and smooth.
Yeah, exactly.
The inside then is pretty much as I want it now.
Yeah. I think we showed this on the last one as well.
Yeah, not a carpet though.
Oh yeah, you've got a carpet.
The carpet now.
Yeah.
So that cost me like £46, I think it was.
Yeah.
Delivered. With an edge for everything.
Yeah.
So that's finished that off, and I just put a bit of a cargo net there if I want to put any, when I take it shopping, obviously. That in the back.
Yeah,
the
that's
cargo
nice.
net.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's pretty good. And then I put the rear bumper back on.
Yeah.
Without the cutout in it, because I put a new exhaust on now as well. We've gone for the Pure Motorsport stealth system, which is straight through, no centre box and decat.
Yeah.
So it is pretty loud.
Yeah.
But I'm happy with it at the moment. So
yeah, sounds nice.
It'll probably give me an headache one day, and I'll probably be looking for a centre box. But at the moment, it's quite nice.
Yeah, that bumper's in tidy condition as well, isn't it? To be fair,
it's pretty good. To be fair.
Yeah. You said you don't know what was on it previously, do exhaust
No,
wise?
it was a powerful.
Yeah, so it was.
Yeah, it was a Powerflex centre box.
Yeah.
And then a custom sort of back box. It was nice enough.
Yeah.
But the diameter of the pipe was only about 2 inches, I think. And obviously with the upgraded systems, you tend to get about 2.5 inch.
Yeah.
So it just allows it to breathe a bit better. So
yeah.
It's really good. I'm really pleased with it.
Yeah, sounds lovely to be fair.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we'll just jump in the car now, innit, and just get a feel for the sound like. Right, so we're in the car now, and yeah, you can hear it straight away, especially with the seats removed. Makes your ears go a bit funny, doesn't it? It's nice though, really nice.
It does resonate a bit in the cabin.
Yeah, it's better. Yeah, if we close the windows actually, innit, see what it sounds like.
Should give you a nice headache on a long journey.
Yeah.
I did have a problem with one of the lambda sensors as well, so I had to swap that out beginning of the week.
Yeah.
I think it must have damaged it, removing it from the original catalytic converter. So.
Yeah.
But luckily I had a spare, so it's alright now. No engine codes.
Yeah, it's all good. Happy days.
Yeah.
So we're gonna give it a couple of revs outside the car now. So yeah, go for it, Dad. Bloody hell. New eardrums I need. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? It's really nice fit, like. It is glowing. That silver is awesome, fair play. Looks a lot better on the front now, I think, with the blacked out as well. Obviously the fog lights are gone, and also that splitter, I think it just looks really mean. So yeah, fair play. Wicked car.